going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. So as you see, I actually got my computer rebuilt. I got my motherboard, I got everything. My computer, my pride right now. I'm actually going to edit this video on my computer. I'm going to back everything up and I'm going to reinstall Windows. The reason is because my version is all fucked up and I actually have a Windows 10 Pro key to my knowledge. And I might even install a free version of Windows so I don't have to pay for it because I really don't have the money right now after rebuilding my computer. If you guys want to know the specs, it's going to be in the link in the description below anyway, but I have an Intel Core i3-8100 quad core. It runs at 3.6 gigahertz. It's a great processor. It works great. I can run Rainbow Six Siege. I got the overall FPS for like 300 FPS, and if I still have the photo, it'll show up somewhere on the screen. I have an ASRock. It's an RX 580 from AMD. Really good card. 8 gigs of video memory. I don't run out of memory at all. I have some Vengeance LPX DDR4 memory, 16 gigs of RAM. I just love this computer. I'm so happy with it. It's amazing. Once you build a computer and you turn it on, it starts up. When it starts up fine, it's normal. I actually upgraded the fans in my case, which makes the build just look sexy. I already had some B-roll in the beginning, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm going to start uploading more, hopefully. I'm a little happier. Anyway, I have a 3 terabyte WD Western Digital hard drive, even though WD stands for Western Digital. What else do I have? An Aorus. I have an Aorus H370 Gaming 3 Wi-Fi board. It's an LGA 1151, sorry. The chipset is H370, as I said in the beginning. It supports Intel Core. It only supports 8th gen processors, which really sucks, but it's fine because I don't think I'm going to be going to anything else down the road. It does have Optane memory, which I think is a top slot, and I actually messed up on that. The heatsink I actually have to take off, so I might show you some B-roll while I'm talking. Yeah, I'll show you some B-roll while I'm talking, and what my channel I'm going to start doing soon about my computer and why I built it and stuff, but I have to fix the heatsink on the fucking M.2. But anyway, I'm really happy with this computer. It's an amazing computer. It's the first computer I actually built like myself, because the other one I bought off my dad. You know what? There we go. Now I have a tripod. My arm's not going to go tired because I literally just got out of work. But yeah, I'm extremely happy with this computer. It's probably one of my biggest prides because I've always loved technology, and I talked about this and why I started YouTube video, but I don't know. I'm just really happy with it. The board has RGB on it. It actually has it between the DIMM slots for the RAM, which is kind of sick actually. It's only got 3, which is weird that they don't have it on each side. I think it's to make it look like the RAM's lighting up or something. But yeah, the fans are amazing. I can link the fans and stuff below. I'm actually going to link everything in my computer below. I'm going to have to work on that, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. My setup's definitely not done. I did some cable management under, which I can actually show you guys. As you can see, it doesn't look that great, but it looks a lot better than it did. My room's a mess. Ignore it. I bought these things. Those will be linked in the description below. They're really great. But yeah, I'm happy with this thing. It's amazing to build something like this and be happy about it. If you're wondering what that is, that actually goes to a wireless mouse over at my bed. I gotta take some of these posters down. But it goes to a wireless mouse, so at night when I'm watching YouTube on my computer, I can just use the mouse. It's funny. And the reason I need to reinstall Windows is because my keyboard's been acting up. I think I actually might need to get a new keyboard because that one's been acting up lately. I don't think I'm going to worry about it till it actually dies. I definitely need a new webcam. If you're wondering what the police 10 codes were in the B-roll, it was because I was going to do this thing called DOJ. You guys probably know about it, but I didn't get the application in yet, or I did, but I don't think I either didn't get in yet, or I just got to wait, or I didn't get in at all. We'll find out. But yeah, I got a lot of work to do, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I hope you guys enjoy my channel, my content. Some new stuff's going to be coming out. I'm really happy with this computer. I actually think what I'm going to do, I already did the cables, but if I have enough slack, I want to move my setup over and have my computer on my desk. It's going to look so much better. And then I can redo the cable management because it's not hard to move everything. I zip tied the cables back here together, but like it's easy to, I literally just did it. I have a shit ton of zip ties coming in. So if I really need to, I can clip it. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I'm really happy with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Tell me what you guys want to see for future content. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace.